Hi, I'm Micaela and this is Jill, and we're special educators and behaviour analysts here at MultiLit.
We are excited to let you know about the Positive Teaching and Learning Initiative. Currently, our Positive Teaching for Effective Classroom Behaviour Management modules are available to you online. We're also working on a new and comprehensive course sequence to give teachers and schools the tools to implement evidence-based and effective behaviour management strategies.
Positive teaching and learning is not new to MultiLit. In fact, it underpins all of our current programs as we place a strong focus on ensuring students are ready to receive instruction, have maximal opportunities to respond, and instructors or educators are taught how to facilitate an effective and positive learning environment. This work is based on the extensive research of Emeritus Professor Kevin Weldle and Dr. Robin Weldle from Macquarie University.
Teaching is a tough and complex business. Teachers are not only responsible for the academic progress of their students, but also their social and emotional well-being. We know that without planning for effective classroom management, student engagement, participation, and learning will be negatively impacted.
We also know that teachers want more support and training when it comes to working with students with behaviours of concern. This has been raised many times as an area that is lacking in opportunities for professional development.
One of the first steps we'll be taking is to launch a comprehensive series of workshops for primary school teachers using positive and effective approaches to behaviour management. Our workshops align with the response to intervention framework and will guide teachers through the universal, whole class positive prevention strategies, which is Tier 1, through to assessment and intervention strategies required for the implementation at the Tier 2 and 3 levels.
These will not be standalone workshops that give you small pieces of information that you need to piece together on your own. Our aim is to take teachers through a series of workshops and modules that build upon each other and provide you with a theoretical understanding of the strategies as well as opportunities for practice and feedback. These online self-paced modules will provide you with evidence-based practices that will make the science of behaviour and learning accessible to you, practical strategies that you can take away and implement immediately, opportunities to actively respond and receive feedback throughout your instruction, and downloadable resources for implementation.
The courses will cover Positive Teaching for Effective Classroom Behaviour Management, Foundations, Assessment and Measurement of Behaviour, Motivation and Teaching Strategies, Preventing and Managing Behaviours of Concern, Behaviour Support Plan Development and Implementation. Our first course in the series, Positive Teaching for Effective Classroom Behaviour Management, focuses on universal, positive and preventative approaches to classroom management. It's a simple and logical approach that is powerful and effective at supporting the majority of your students. The goal here is to eliminate the vast majority of persistent, low-level behaviour problems and increase your capacity to support students with more complex behavioural and learning needs.
Positive teaching also builds the foundations needed for implementation of strategies at the Tier 2 and Tier 3 levels. We simply can't address more complex behaviour issues without the basics in place. The Positive Teaching Workshop is currently available online if you would like to take this crucial first step into effective classroom behaviour management.
If this is something you want more information on, please don't hesitate to contact us. We would be more than happy to answer your questions.